Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to debug your React app in Visual Studio's code, this is the easiest way. First, open your React app in Visual Studio's code and create a launch.json file in the root. Once you do that, just copy and paste this code. It contains a name, which you can name your launch settings as. The type, we are using Chrome. Request, that would be launched, and the URL. As you know that the URL which is assigned to our React is localhost port 5173. That is the same that we will enter here. And then we give a web root which will give the address of the files that we have. Once that is done, you just run your application and press F5. The browser will automatically launch your React app and you can browse through different pages. Once that is done and successfully tested, you go back to your application, open a page, you see the line numbers here. So once you hover on any line number, you will see the message saying click to add a breakpoint. Breakpoint is where the execution will be paused. If you click here, you can see a red little dot that represents a breakpoint. And what happens now is that whenever the code is executed and it hits this line number, it will be debugged and paused there, and you can see more details on what the issue is. So that is it for this video. I hope this is helpful for you, and I will see you in the next one.